Alright, so I just had something happen. I was recording, I caught something in the impeller. So what do you do whenever you catch something in the impeller? I don't know the perfect scenario, but I'll tell you what I just did, and I got whatever it was stuck in the impeller dislodged. So I went in a little cubby, and as you can see, there's a whole lot of debris, like this little stick right there. All it takes is a little stick like the size of your finger to get stuck in the impeller. And it basically, if you're not going fast, I was going a little slow and it got stuck in the impeller. So I didn't slow down because this has a stainless steel wear ring and a stainless steel impeller, so you're not worried about wearing it out. It's not a plastic one like the older jet skis. So I just kept it nailed, and as you can see, it took probably about 30 to 60 seconds, and I was jumping a couple waves, and I could tell it was cavitating, and it still was going up 53 mile an hour. It was registering, but it's completely back to normal now. So whatever it was, it chewed it up, spit it out. But it was stuck for a good 60 seconds, but what I didn't do was slow down. So if I slowed down, I felt like it would have either got jammed up more, or I wouldn't have got up enough momentum to spit it out. So I kept it floored, got up to 53 mile an hour, jumped a couple waves, and it dislodged it. So I don't know if that's the perfect scenario, but that's what worked for me. So if you get something stuck in the impeller, that's what I would try, as long as you got a stainless steel wear ring. That's the ring that goes around the impeller, and a stainless steel impeller. A lot of the newer jet skis do. So here we go. How big they are. Okay, so I've never held a camera like this, but I can't jump them. This is how big these waves are. Alright, so I put my little suction cup things right here, safekeeping. So I'll do them one at a time, kind of clean it a little bit, and I stuck 3 on it last time. We'll see if I lose one or not. Hopefully it stays on there. Wipe all the bugs off my face. Alright, so here's these bumpers that I was showing you, and I'll show you once I get to the dock right here. So you can see right there, the jet ski will never even touch the side, so it works out really good. Just a little bit better angle of those bumpers right there. So as you can see, it does not allow your jet ski to hit the dock. So it's just a suction cup. And I got one on the back, and it looks like one of them on the very far back that I was worried about, it fell off. So I lost one, but I'm not too worried about it. It was only $3. So I'll know better next time, because it's kind of curved back there. So that may be the problem, that it didn't stick on that flat surface. But those two right there, I gave them a yank, and they was actually stuck really good. A little piece of string may help you if you don't want to lose them too. Just tie them all together, I guess. Just got the jet ski on the trailer. It's really easy, and I'll show you this new trick that I tried. Did not involve tape, but it worked out perfect. So these little suction cups from Harbor Freight, I stuck one on the front, and I stuck one right there, kind of in the middle, and then here's the mistake that I made. So it wasn't exactly flat right there where I stuck it. It was a little bit curved, and it fell off. And also that sits lower in the water, so whenever it hit the dock, it may have went up underneath the dock, because there was another guy with a jet ski, and it probably had some waves. So it was whenever I was going to get the trailer, so it probably hit the dock, and then it knocked that back one off. But as you can see, they stick out about an inch past the bumper. If you're new here, please click the little subscribe button. Also, smash that like button.